Hey guys, MartyBoots here. Today I want to talk to you about Bitcoin, and I want to talk to you and assess, can Bitcoin recover into a bull market, or is Bitcoin dead in the water? And I want to share some very interesting thoughts with you today, and analysis on the charts. It might surprise people, and yeah, you wait till you see this chart that I'm going to show you in a minute, and you might be pleasantly surprised. So, anyway, guys, I run a live trading room. I've been trading for 13 years, and if you'd like to join us in our live trading room, we're in there every single day trying to make a killing in this market. We've got a group of fantastic members, and we also have lots of other VIP group alerts in there, and we also have, on top of all that, we have a Telegram channel with $500,000 worth of courses, and they are provided to our VIP members, and that is growing every single day at this present point in time. We also have really great education and crypto check videos, other videos, and lots of different courses and stuff. So if you're interested, guys, come on and say hello. We have a fantastic group in there, and our goal is to create a group of super traders. So if you want to be part of that, yeah, hit us up in the description below. Take the 3-day free trial. Guys, this is going to surprise a lot of people, possibly. Now, what I'm going to talk about here very quickly is this. Let me just change the color of this. This red weekly 200 moving average. Okay. First off, it's in an uptrend, guys. You do not change the trajectory of the red 200 moving average very easily. That does not happen, and it definitely does not. Look at this, guys. We dropped from 20,000 down to 3,000. What happened to 200 moving average? It did not change direction. It did not change direction, and I could bring you on the BLX chart that shows the moving average down here. You know what? Just for proof that I'm not talking BLX. Now it's acting up on me. Maybe I shouldn't have done that anyway. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Delete all that stuff. Sorry guys. Now it's moved. It's moved this on me. Okay. So we were back here. It's moved that on me. Anyway, there you go. You can see the 200 moving average, guys. This drop, what happened? Nothing. Okay. What's going to happen in this drop? Nothing. It's going to stay on the same course, and the course of the 200 moving average is up. Okay. It is up. You're not going to change that anytime soon. So what I want to show you here, guys, on the weekly chart, look at this. Is silver here. This is silver. I used to trade silver, and I remember back here, this was the financial crisis. Okay, zoom in a little bit. This was the financial crisis when gold and silver still crashed. They were not safe havens. And what I will say about this is gold is the safe haven. Silver is his little brother, which is a little bit more volatile than gold. And Bitcoin is the youngest brother. And I don't consider Bitcoin a safe haven yet or whatever, but you could class it in that category because of its fundamentals and everything else. But it's the youngest brother, and it is the most volatile. Okay. So, but it can be classed in there, but it's the youngest reckless brother, if you want to call it that. At this point in time, it's still growing. It's very young. So in my opinion, it's okay to compare it to silver, only even more volatile. What I want to show you guys, this is very important. Okay, look at this drop. This is in the financial crisis. Okay, 60% drop, and maybe that was a bit more. Anyway, 60% drop, right? That was back in the financial crisis. Now look at this drop. Very similar. Look at that, 61, 62%. Very, very, very similar. Okay, now that was in the financial crisis. Now let me show you. Look at this, guys. Don't mind that stuff. Look at this. So in the financial crisis, that was the biggest drop in the history of the stock market. The largest drop, guys, the market has ever seen. Okay, bigger than the dot-com. Look at this. The dot-com didn't get down that far. The financial crisis in 2007, 2008, and the start of 2009 was the largest crash in history. What happened in the last 4 weeks, 5 weeks, whatever it is? Look at this, guys. In the last 5 weeks, we have seen the largest drop in market history. Okay, the market has never seen anything like this, points-wise. Points-wise, I mean, percentage-wise, okay, you know, it's 33%. It's nothing to be sniffed at. And you can see down here that was a 58% drop. But points-wise, guys, you can see that this is the largest drop ever. Now, since we have had the huge drop in the market, you can see that it caused and helped the fear that sold Bitcoin off to below the 200 weekly moving average. This is a weekly chart, guys. Silver is a weekly chart. Now here is the beautiful thing. Okay, so if this is an uptrend, what happened on silver? That was the buy, guys. The drop below the red 200 moving average right here on a weekly basis. Okay, this where you needed to have balls, big cojones, when the whole market was crashing. And I remember trading on this, and everybody just was thinking the market is going to crash, it's going to keep going lower. Even silver and gold can't withstand the crisis, blah blah blah. You know, all this sort of stuff. And what happened? That was the buying opportunity of your lifetime in silver. And what happened? Took a bit of accumulation. We started pumping. Once we got back above that 200 moving average, guys, there was no looking back. There was no looking back. Now, Bitcoin, if this market, well, it is in the long-term uptrend, guys. But if this 200 moving average is going to hold, and the buy point could also be right down here below the 200 moving average. That might be the buy point, guys. That might be the buy point. So what I am telling you next week and over the next 2 weeks, guys, I'm going to zoom this in just so you all see this. Okay, you can see down here from the crash when we did put in the lows. Now we don't know if this is the lows yet, but what we do know is that there is tests of the lows. Okay, look at these. There is tests of the lows very close to the previous lows. So what I'm going to do is not financial advice, guys. What I'm going to do, and if you need help with this or whatever, you know, take the 3-day free trial and come on in, talk, ask us questions. You know, we'll be looking for alerts if the price action is correct down in this area for long-term buys. If it is like silver, it could be the buys of your lifetime if something like this happens. Now we don't know yet, but what I want to say is, and I'm going to finish the video off here on a very, very, very important point. This, guys, this right here in this area was exactly the point where the Federal Reserve printed money and lowered interest rates. Right here, right in here. Now what happened right here? The Federal Reserve is printing almost the same amount of money again. Right here, see here? The Federal Reserve is printing and lowering interest rates right down in this area. So what does that do for the market, guys, if anybody doesn't know? It causes inflation, and inflation causes the rising of prices. And I know right now it does not look like that. But if you watch my previous video, I don't know, anyway, no, it's not there. God, I've lost it anyway. Very important stock market secrets. Okay, if you watch that video, it will show you exactly why this has not bounced yet. And you know, and our members know when I suspect this market is going to bounce, and we will see if I'm right. But you need to watch that stock market secrets video in here, and that it really will help you out if you're trading the market, and it'll help you out for the crypto markets because it's a very, very important secret. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope it's really helped, and you know, I know the world is fearful right now that this is going to crash to zero and crash to 1,000 and crash to 3,000 and all the rest. But you can see down on here that buying below the weekly 200 moving average on silver was the buy of your lifetime. So I'm going to leave you with that thought, guys. Hope you really enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to take the 3-day free trial, just click on the link below and come on in and ask us some questions, see what we're all about. We've got a really fantastic group in there. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.